Hello my people, how una dey o? I don land, I don show for the latest one wey dey happen for the palace of Ooni of Ife o. Report when e reach us now be say dem say Ooni of Ife don pursue dis im 3 sisters comot for palace. Chai, the god of Naomi no dey sleep o. The god of Olori Naomi, e no dey sleep. Una see dis 3 sisters, dis 3 sisters wey una dey see so. Na dem be the problem wey be say dis Ooni of Ife get right from beginning. From the first wife to dis, down to dis wife wey be say be Olori Naomi. Na dis 3 sisters na dem be the problem. Dis 3 sisters, you see dem so, dem occupy palace. Occupy palace, dem no wan comot. Monitoring spirit. Everywhere wey be say Ooni of Ife go, na so dem go dey follow am. Dem no dey hear say party dey o. Once dem hear say party dey, kpararam, 3 of dem, dis 3 sisters wey you dey see so. So the problem wey be say Olori Naomi get before e born dis im pikin so, na dis im 3 sisters dem. Everyday na dem go dey follow Naomi dey fight. Na dem go bring dat story wey dem say Olori Naomi get pikin for outside. So now wey be say Olori Naomi don born, dem no wan even allow Olori Naomi to even rest. Person wey just born new wey be say. So according to report dem say person when e be say e just born, when e just born newly, wey be say e suppose to get enough rest, dis 3 sisters dem go just carry their own wahala dey disturb for the palace there. Whether dem no dey happy say Olori Naomi don born, we no know. Because according to report dem say na dem be the problem wey be say king get. The first wife na dem influence king sotey dem make sure say king pursue dat one. Dem come say dat one no born. Now before you know, as king come dey o, before dem come crown am the king, immediately dem crown am the king, no just reach how many months, na so dem pursue dat first one. As dem pursue dat first one, na im come marry the Benin one wey dem dey call Wurola Otiti Zainab. Na so na dem, na dis 3 sisters na dem influence king again. Dem make sure say king send dat one away without any concrete reason. We no even know wetin dat fine lady do. The only sin wey be say dem say dat one commit be say e no dey obey dem. That is, e no dey loyal to dem. Because as una see dis 3 sisters so, as una see dem, na so dem dey monitor anything wey be say e dey happen for dat palace. Na dem dey pilot the affair of dat palace. If dem say make anybody wey dem say e go stay, e go stay. If dem say e go go. If 3 of dem just gang up against you, if 3 of dem gang up against you as a wife for dat palace, there's nothing go make you survive that home. Because the place go dey hot like hair fire. Na so dem make the place make e dey hot like hair fire for Olori Naomi. Dem no dey let Olori Naomi get rest of mind. Na make Olori Naomi pack her things waka go Akure go stay because of their wahala. Dem no dey let the woman dey rest. Dis story of say im don born before, na dem bring dat story carry go give bloggers, just to make sure say, because when dem don see am say king don dey give Olori Naomi affection, don dey show am too much love and affection, for where jealousy don start. I no know whether na una wan marry una brother. Una no dey shame say king don marry 3 times, the marriage no work. So I no know whether na dem wan marry their brother. So the problem wey be say dem dey give Naomi too much. Now dem dey carry their matter dey go give all those bloggers. When we go hear am finish, una go to say whether wetin we dey hear, we no know wetin we dey hear. At the end of the day, now God don bless Naomi with pikin don born. Dem come occupy the palace, dey cause confusion here and there. King don tire for dem. In fact, dem dey choke king for palace. Dem dey choke dem for palace. So king come order im guards say, oh yeah, make dem comot, make dem come dey comot for palace. E get some of dem wey be say dem don marry. Those ones wey marry, the ones wey dey husband house, the time wey be say dem dey spend for dat palace, e pass the time wey be say dem dey spend for their husband house. In fact, may I just say na inside dat palace na im be their husband house. Na there na im dem dey stay. Dem no gree comot o. Because king, you know say na king sisters, and the king, e be say im na im be the junior, and im dey obey. King dey respect the sister very well. So anything wey be say dem tell king dey loyal, dey lis ten to dem. But this time around wey dem don do am, dem don do king sotey king no go fit get privacy with im wife again. E no fit get privacy with im wife. This time around wey be say im wife don born, this time around wey be say im wife don born, na im say abeg. He no want dem make dem pack their load, piam, make dem go. Make dem go. E vex o, king vex well well for dem. Their wahala too much. Woman wey just born newly, na im dem don carry their makosa now wan come go spoil her blues. Dem say e born, e get pikin for outside. And so what? If e get pikin for outside, wetin come happen? And na lie o, she no get pikin for outside, she no get. So as king pursue dis im three sisters, so family people come dey beg say e never reach like that. No matter e be, blood is thicker than water. Make king forgive them no matter what. King say e need im privacy, say their wahala too much. He no want wahala. This period wey be say im wife born, they need all the space. He need all the time to really bond with im pikin and im wife. Say their wahala too much, dem dey choke am. So una blame king, my people. How una go blame king say make dem pack comot? E never too much. This kind mature women wey be say suppose to dey their husband house, dem go come dey for palace dey do monitoring spirit. Dem no dey take here say party dey. Once party dey, na so dem go there dress to match, the three of them. Once they don gang up against you, say hey, you go comot as wife. Say if their brother say, well, once they don gang up against you like this, say na go you dey, so nothing go save you. If no be say this prophetess, this Olori Naomi, dey very powerful in prayer. And I know say na prophetess, she dey very humble and she dey very powerful in prayer. Therefore, don pursue am comot for the marriage now. How many times she don comot? She go comot, she go come back again, she go comot. Because they occupy space. They don turn to matter. Anything that occupy space is a matter. They don turn matter. So now, so anything that has weight and occupy space is matter. If you be science student, you know wetin I dey talk. Those people now, so they occupy the whole palace. They know they allow. In fact, these three musketeers, na dem be the problem wey be say the king get. Now, thank God say the king eye don open. Eye don open, don send them, say make them pack. So they don comot for palace. Report when e reach us be say they don comot for palace. Yes, so they don comot for palace. My people, how una see this matter? But we come hear say the family people dem dey beg say make them come back. Say them be sisters. Say no matter it be, nobody should separate them with their brother. Say now the king tell the family members say he ready to go rent apartment for them. Make they go outside the palace. Make they not stay the palace again. Make they just free him and his wife. Make they just free him and his wife and his pikin. Say if anything they want, he go give them. But make them dey far from her. My people understand. And now una know say this king get wisdom well. This decision when he take now the right decision. As he decide to say make they come out for palace. Now the right decision when be say he take be that. So that this in marriage with Olori Naomi go last. As God don kuku bless them, so the marriage go last. They no go get problem. Because now them be the problem when be say he gets. Now them. So my people, now the one when he reach us today, now the gist what we hear. As I dey hear and as I go dey carry and dey come. As I dey do anything when be say I hear. That is what this channel stand for. We dey do about the gossip for here. Anything when we hear for us, I will carry and come touch lights. Come look into it. So my people, how una see this matter? Make you leave your comments for the comment section. Anyhow you feel about this whole matter. Now so now na country sister Jedidiah Maureen, I go dey bring una more updates on any gist where beside here concerning where the update for palace. Now so it just be my people. So thank you so much. If you never subscribe to this channel, I beg, make you hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification so that anytime I upload video, now you will be first to see them. Una do.